Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the two codes to check if your Samsung Galaxy A17 is real or not. For the first code, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#06#. And by doing that, the IMEI numbers and the serial number will appear on the screen. Now from here, just compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers which are given on your smartphone's box. And make sure they're both the same. For the second code, just open the dialer app. Now from here, just dial *#0*#. And by doing that, you will open the hardware diagnostics menu of your Samsung phone. Now this code will not work on fake phones. And from here, you will be able to check the hardware of your Samsung phone. And these are the two codes to check whether your Samsung Galaxy A17 is real or not. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.